Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm down the allotment again and I've been sent a parcel, and what we've got in here is a brush, and it's a brush for cleaning RVs. And seeing as we're on an allotment, we've not got our RV, we thought it's a great opportunity to use this to clean the polytunnel. So what have we got? Well, we've got 3 wash pads, and these are Chenille wash pads, and these are replaceable. So that's really good. We've got 3 of those, and then we've got an extendable pole. So we've got 2 parts of our pole and then the end bit. So work this out. That bit goes into there with a click, and then this bit extends. That's it. And then this bit extends. So we've got a pole, and if we look at our pole, it slightly curves. There's a 15-degree curve on our pole, which would be absolutely perfect for the polytunnel edge. So we've got this mop head, and that one clips into place. There we go. And we've got our mop. So I'm going to get a bucket, of water. We've got some Algon, which is organic path and patio deck cleaner. So let's clean the polytunnel. The mop head just fits in the bucket, which is really good. And look at this, the curve of the handle just goes round the polytunnel. How's that? That's great, look. You go right up to the top, nearly over the top. That's brilliant, look at that, that's absolutely excellent. Just right, so this is normally used for RVs to reach the top of your RV. So this does this tunnel, wonderful, look at that, absolutely brilliant. Blimey, I can actually see inside. That's an absolute game changer. That is so good. So that is really, really good. And the curve just covers over the polytunnel. That's really great. I'm going to have a go on the car next. So I've changed the pad. Now we're going to have a go at the car. So there we go, that's our extendable mop. All folds away nicely. Give that a clean, away we go. Well, that's really, really good. We can even see out of the polytunnel. Oh, well, look at that. Amazing. So I'll leave all the details of this curved RV mop in the description below. But it's absolutely great. Can't wait to finish off the rest of the tunnel. Whoa. Look at that.